Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pause Instagram notification. So for you to do that, you have to open your Instagram app on your phone. Once you've done that, then tap at the profile icon. Then you come up here and tap at this 3 dot slash. Once you tap on it, give you 4 minutes to load the page. Good. Then tap at notification. Then here you can tap on pause or targeting on. Then you can decide to pause your Instagram notification for some few hours, let's say 15 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. Then once you tap out a particular hour, let's say 4 hours, then that your Instagram notification has been temporarily paused for 4 hours. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.